This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Sprinkle salt all over the plate. Add a small amount of pepper. Bring the balloon close. The pepper in the plate will be attracted to the balloon. Add salt to the cola. Coke turns into a fountain. Pour alcohol on the sand. Add sugar and baking soda mixture. Ignite it with fire. The ancient and magical pharaoh serpent is summoned. Tear off the red phosphorus paper from the matchbox. Light it. After burning, dip your hand in the ashes. Rub your fingers together and white smoke will come out. Very magical. Add pigments to the starch. Mix well, and you have a non-Newtonian fluid. Rub a towel on a plastic stick a few times, close to the water flow. The water flow will follow the direction of the plastic stick. Pour white vinegar in a cup. Put an egg in it and soak it overnight. Take it out again, and you have a very flexible egg. Draw a spider on the mirror with an oil-based pen. Put it in the water. The spider will come back to life. Follow me. Teach you more science experiments. Or the two rubber bands connected. Look at it from a different angle. All it takes is a nail to do it. I can make a match burn faster. Do you want to learn? Put the matchstick in the water ahead of time. Set it on fire. The match will burn quickly. Do you know how the guy on the screen blew up the balloon? Pour a glass full of Coke. Rub the cup into a ball. The Coke inside disappears. No spillage. Here's the truth. Did you learn it? Tear off the skin of the disc with tape. Use a lighter to soften. Blow hard on it. You'll have a series of bubbles. Pour white vinegar into the glass. Add salt and mix well. Add the rusty coins. The coins will be cleaned up. Cut open the diaper. Take out the contents. Add water and wait for a while. Artificial snowflakes are ready. Follow me. Learn more science experiments.